Hey everyone, it's Dr. Nastel. I'm super excited to begin our class and start working with you and want to give you a very quick overview on how we're going to use D2L in our English 102 class. So, we'll use announcements just for announcements, like super important information or any changes. I'll post them here and I'll also send them to your PSE email account. You could click through all of these links and kind of figure out piecemeal what's going on, but don't do that. It takes a lot of time. It can be super confusing. It's hard to keep track of what you've already clicked on. Just go to content. Like it says here, all course materials are located in content. So go there. We have lots of resources and information and these first couple of links, but the main thing you're going to use is weekly content. Each week will be posted Tuesdays at 10 a.m. This week was a little bit early because it's our first week. And you can see here, these are the different subtopics. So this week we have readings, assignments, and resources. I'll offer an overview of the information and then all the materials. They'll be presented in the order I think it makes most sense to read them. So you can see that the syllabus is posted before the schedule. It's good to have an idea of what the class is all about before you dig into any of the details. Here are our readings for this week. And then you have 3 assignments. You're going to send an introductory email to me. If you click on this link, it takes you to the details. You're going to post an introduction to the rest of the class, and totally okay if you use the same information in both spaces. Just want to make sure that I get the email from your PSE account and that you also post on the discussion forum so our colleagues and so we can all get to know each other. And then the last piece is this analysis. You can click on this link. It will take you to the assignments folder where you will submit it. And it also has the PDF attachment that gives you all of the details for the assignment. And then as we scroll down, there's the resources. So the main thing, if you don't remember anything else from this video, what you should remember is always to look in content and look at the week to see what are we doing this week, and you can just click on all of the links here rather than clicking through D2L. So I look forward to getting to know you and reading your emails and introductions and your analyses, and I hope to talk to you soon. Thanks.